Hey guys, Cheer here. It's gonna do an unboxing video. Don't know what's in this thing. Gotta make this quick, cause just got out of the shower and noticed this thing outside my door. Gotta be careful. Now, gotta hold it with my legs. Jeez, dude, how seal tight is? Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. Oh wait. Oh, oh, there it is. Warcraft Cataclysm. Well, I gotta buy it. Well, I got the starter edition anyways, but this is awesome by far. Very thankful this came in the mail. So, hope you enjoy my unboxing video. So, peace out, because I'm a huge fan of Warcraft.